Hello everyone, my name is Mustafa Ahmed Yahya. I'm an engineer working on finite element methods and simulations and generation mesh is one of my hobbies. Here in this tutorial I'm talking about the basics and features of Gmesh, how to add pointers, how to create line, overall how to create a simple 2D model and generate 2D mesh for a circular 2D model. So first of all I'm going to file new. Okay, I'm going to choose my Gmesh or Gmesh file I previously created. I will name my file circle. Save. I will use G extension. I use built-in. So I'm going to geometry. I'm going to elementary entities. Going to add pointers. So first of all, I need an origin for my circle. Add it. Okay, it was already added. Then the subsequent points will be 2, 0, 0, add, then 0, 2, 0, added. Following that, I'll be having 0 minus 2, 0, added. Then I'll be having minus 2, 0, 0, add. So I added the points for uh, the inner core or for the inner circular shape. Following that, I will be starting to add points for the outer circle. 20, 20, 0, 0, add. Then I'll be having 0, 20, 0, add. Then I'll be having 0 minus 20, added. Then I'll be having minus 20, 0, 0, add. Okay. Okay, E to add point, Q to abort. Okay, Q, because I already ended the operation. So here, if I go to my file, if I open circle, whatever I have done is already turned into scripts and it has been recorded here under this file that I created in the beginning of the project. So I have point 1, 2, 3. I have the origin, then the coordinates for the inner core, and then coordinates for the outer circular edge. That's pretty nice. You can also use this software, interact with the user of the software just using the script. But if you know the commands very well, you don't need to use the GUI of the software. You can just use the script so you can make a 2D model or 3D model and generate any type of mesh as you wish. It's a really amazing software. Okay. After that, what I have to generate circle arc, okay, circle arc. Select start point. Okay, I will I will make this one my start point, center point. This center point, this one would be my end point. Okay, nice. I have a very nice curvature of that circle after circle. Following that, start point, center, end point. The endpoint will be my start point for the new circle. Start point, center, and then end point. Start, select center point, select end point. Okay, I'll be turning to the inner one. This one, 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 center, end point, start point, center, end point. Okay, and then I'm going to have straight lines. Okay, a Q to abort the operation of creating circle arc, and then I'm going to having straight lines. Okay, I'm starting from this point to this point, this point to this point, this one to here, this point to the bottom. Okay, very cool. Okay, okay. So we are okay. Press Q to abort Q. I already ended the procedure of creating 2D model. Let me close this one. Let me. Okay. Also inside the GUI, we can go to edit script. So here, all my points, all my circle lines, and all my straight lines, which I have generated, are visible very easily, very visibly here. Okay, very nice. So what I can do right now, my 2D model is already done. I'm just going to make 2D, a random 2D mesh, okay? Just random mesh 2D. Okay, sorry. Before generating 2D, I have to specify the surface. So I have to go to plane surface. Okay, I'm going to be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 surfaces. Starting from here. Come on, get selected. Okay, E to in selection E. Okay, the surface got chosen. Then I'm going to select a surface physical property for this portion. Okay, E. Then here this line should be included. This one as well. This one E. Then I have to select this, this, this E. Q to abort the procedure. Tools, options, general. In general, no, in access, I'm going to hide the grid line. So right now, these lines which are visible, it tells me that the surface physical property has been assigned to the model. If I go to geometry, okay, I want to see the point labels. So it's telling me the number of points. Point 1, 2, 3, 4 are here, 6, 7, 8 are outside. Curve labels. So it's telling me this line is circle 2, this circle 3, this line 9, this is circle 4. Surface labels. So this is plane 1, plane 2, plane 3, plane 4. So this one, the first plane, the first surface plane that we started to generate, that's why it's plane 1. Second one, we made this one, it's plane 2. Third one, we made this one, it's plane 3. The last one is this portion surface that we created. Okay, now we should be ready to generate 2D mesh. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's a very random mesh. So what I want to do is, let me check some. Okay. So right now, this is done. It's pretty cool. Let me get rid of the point labels, the names, and so on. Okay, that's done. Okay.